What is it?
It's your phone.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's the alarm clock. Thank you.
Oh.
She had the alarm clock go off.
Wow.
Thank you.
That's what I thought. I thought I heard the alarm.
Look at what the time is.
It's exactly midnight.
Huh.
Wow. Wow. That's awesome.
Oh, honey.
Oh.
I just touched this and got shocked and it went off.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I didn't hit a button yet. But I just touched it and got shocked and it went off.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Are you recording that?
Yeah.
Okay, that was awesome.
Let me see if I can shut the alarm off though.
But it is off. It
Well,
stopped.
it is now.
Oh, that's weird. Oh,
Yeah.
that's cool.
I don't want that going off on the middle of the night though.
It's fine, just leave it. Don't mess with it.
Alright.
Let her mess with it. Whoa.
I thought it was your phone.
No, I knew it was on my phone. I was like, there's an alarm going off in the other room.
Yeah, I got that recorded.
Wow. As soon as I turned off the music,
Yeah.
she made that happen.
Yeah.
Wow. So I was like, maybe we can
Weird.
hear you if we don't have the music playing. And that's what she wanted. That's what she's telling me.
Okay.
So maybe we can hear her.